What's up everyone, my name is Joris. The past few months have been great for saving. Have you saved at all? Let me know. Let's look at some of the numbers. There is no denying that the past few months have been very hard on our social lives, but it was and it still is a great time to get an overview of your finances and to start your habit of saving. Since we have little or no options to spend money on extras at the moment, we could have saved up all that extra money. And we Belgians, we did just that. According to a study of financial services company Interim, 43% of Belgians have spent a lot less than they were used to during the few months of the crisis. Which is not surprising at all, since very few stores were open. Let's say last year you used to go to a bar 3 times a week, but now you couldn't go. Did you really miss it? Or did you find an alternative that was equally fun, but not as expensive? If you didn't miss going out as much as you did before, consider saving the amount you were spending in a savings account and watch those savings grow. This can be a great opportunity to assess everything that is crucial in your life and what is considered extra spending. By not spending the money, have you really missed something in the last few months? If not, then why not save that amount of money every month, every year? However, don't overdo it. Social life will pick up again, so not all usual expenses can be saved. Some of them are delayed and will be spent in the next few months. So create a savings habit that is reasonable and achievable now and in the next months and years. The best start in setting this up is by smashing the like button for the YouTube algorithm and watching all my videos. Now, why did Belgium save so much more than the other European countries? Well, because we have a lot more of discretionary spending. We tend to spend a lot of money on non-crucial things. And during our months at home, we did not buy them because we did not need them. The study shows that there is a direct correlation between the standard of living and the reduced spending. But not everything is perfect. In fact, even in Belgium, there is a lot of financial problems, especially with our youth. The same study shows that 51% of Belgians have had their financial well-being reduced, and even 1 in 5 are not able to pay off their monthly bills like a mortgage. It is very important to know how to start saving. Although Belgium is considered a wealthy country, 6 out of 10 Belgians only save a little bit or nothing at all. But there is some positive news as well. Our Belgian youth understands the importance of money and saving. A study of iVox shows that almost 1 in 3 Belgians under 35 manage to save over 500 euros a month. This is great news, since the average savings of us Belgians is a mere 213 euros a month. Unfortunately, our schooling system does not teach us how to manage our money, but it is nice to see that the youth is aware of the need of saving. I think it is all of our responsibility to teach them how to handle money. One of the main reasons why I started this channel, by the way. How much do you save, and have you saved more during the last few months? Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video.